in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print out PowerPoint slides in black and white. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the PowerPoint file you want to print out and select the File tab up at the top left. Go down and select where it says Print. And then on the left side where it says underneath Settings, there should be an option that says Color down here. Click the drop down. And you can select where it says pure black and white, or you can select grayscale, and then you would select print to print it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.